How to create viral AI photos with Gemini. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and then simply search for Gemini just to make sure you have an updated version of the Gemini application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Gemini. So you can simply tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, simply what you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply select a picture of yourself or anyone that you want to create a viral AI photos of. So I'm going to tap on gallery and simply select a random picture. So let's select a random picture over here and then tap on add. Now you just need to add this prompt. So let's paste the prompt that I've already written. So then you can simply tap on send and start and wait for a while until it creates the picture for us. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So it might take a few seconds depending on the connection you have. So you can simply wait for a while and there you go. You have this stunning creating viral AI photos with Gemini. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.